Morning students, welcome to Suraj Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is your maths class and today we will start our chapter 4 and the chapter name is fractions. Okay students, and today we will start our next exercise 4b. Okay students, and the topic is, and our first topic is types of fraction. Types of fraction. Okay students, types of fraction. And the first type, like and unlike fraction. What are like and unlike fractions? The like fractions, students, the fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. The fractions with same denominator are called like fraction, and the fractions with the different denominator are called unlike fractions. The fractions, like fractions, look the example of like fractions: 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 4 upon 5. These are the like fractions because the denominator are same. All the fractions, the denominator are same. So these fractions are called like fractions. Okay friends? Next one is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Unlike fractions, the fractions with different denominator are called unlike fraction. Okay students? Example: 2 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 9, 1 upon 3. Okay students, the fractions with different denominator. Students, look, the different denominators are different, so these are the unlike fractions. Okay students, next one is unit fraction. Next type is unit fraction. Unit fraction. A fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. A fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. This means 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7. These are unit fractions. Okay students? Because the numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. So this is called unit fraction. Okay students, understood? Next one is, next type, proper fraction. Proper fraction. What are proper fractions? What are proper fractions? The fractions, students, the fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. The fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Okay students? Example: 3 upon 5, 5 upon 7, 2 upon 3. Okay students? Look, the fraction with numerator is less than the denominator. The fraction which numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Here 3 is numerator and 5 is denominator. 3 is less than 5. So this is called proper fraction. Here 5 is numerator and 5 is less than 7. So 5 upon 7 is proper fraction. 2 upon 3 is also a proper fraction. Okay students. Next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. What are improper fractions? The fractions whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fractions. Example: 7 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 13 upon 7. Okay students, these are improper fractions because the numerator is greater than its denominator. 7 is greater than 2, so numerator is greater than the denominator, so this is called improper fraction. 5 is greater than 3 means numerator is greater than the denominator, so this type of fraction are called improper fraction. Okay friends, and next one is mixed numbers. Next one is mixed number. What are mixed numbers? What are mixed numbers? A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed number. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed numbers. Okay students? A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 2 is a whole number. Students, 2 is a whole number. And we know that 1 upon 3 is a proper fraction. 1 upon 3 is a proper fraction. 1 upon 3 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator, so this is called proper fraction, and 2 is a whole number. So the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed number. Okay, 2 whole 1 upon 3. It's a mixed number. Okay students, understood? Next, now students, now come to our exercise 4b. So let's start our exercise 4b. Exercise 4b. Students, question number 1. In each of the following, identify the sets of like fractions. Okay students, identify the sets of like fractions. As we know, what are like fractions? What are like fractions? Students, the fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. So, question number 1 is 5 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 7 upon 8, 2 upon 5. Here. Look, question number first, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 7 upon 8, 2 upon 5. Here the denominator are different, so it is not a like fraction. Okay friends, so it is not a like fraction. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 2 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8, and 7 upon 8. Here, the denominator are same. So, these type of fractions are called like fractions. So, these type of fractions are called like fractions. Okay, friends? Understood? So, question number 3 to 8, you have to do all the questions yourself. Next part B. In each of the following, identify the sets of unlike fractions. In each of the following, identify the sets of unlike fractions. Okay friends, upon 4, 1 upon 5, comma 2 upon 7, 3 upon 11. Here the denominator are different. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, friends. So do all the question yourself. Question number 2 to 8. Okay, friends. Part C. In the following sets of fractions, identify the unit fractions. Identify the unit fractions. As we know, what are unit fractions? The fractions with numerator 1. The fractions with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. So, in which fractions the numerator is 1? The first one is 1 upon 5. The first one is 1 upon 5. Here the numerator is 1. Here the numerator is 1. So this is a unit fraction because the numerator is 1. Next one is 3 upon 11. The numerator is 3. So it's not a unit fraction. Next 7 upon 15. Here the numerator is not 1. So this is not a unit fraction. Next 1 upon 21. Here numerator is 1. So this is a unit fraction. Okay, friends. Part D. Which of the following are proper fractions? Which of the following are proper fractions? As we know, what are proper fractions? The fractions which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. Okay, friends, the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. So, come to our question number first. Question number 1 is 5 upon 8. Here 5 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Here the numerator is less than the denominator. 5 is less than 8. So numerator is less than the denominator. So as we know, the numerator is, in which fraction the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. So this is a proper fraction. Okay, friends. Question number 2, 7 upon 11, numerator is 7 and 7 is less than 11. So 7 upon 11 is a proper fraction. Okay. Next one is 6 upon 19. Here 6 is less than 19. So 6 upon 19 is a proper fraction. Okay, friends. Question number 5, 15 upon 11. 15 is greater than 11. It means numerator is greater than the denominator. So it's not a proper fraction. Okay, friends, it's a improper fraction. Next one is part E. Which of the following are improper fraction? Which of the following are improper fraction? As we know, what are improper fractions? The fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. Whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator are called improper fraction. Okay, friends. So now come to question number first. 3 upon 14. 3 upon 14. 3 is numerator and 14 is denominator. Here 3 is less than 14. And we know what are improper fractions? The fractions whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator are called improper fraction. Here the numerator is less than the denominator. So it's not a improper fraction. It's a proper fraction. Okay, friends. Next one is 15 upon 16. Here 15 is less than 16. So it's not a improper fraction. Okay. Next one is question number 13 upon 10. 13 upon 10. Okay students, 13 upon 10, here the numerator is greater than the denominator, so it's a improper fraction. Okay students, next one is, which of the following are mixed numbers? Which of the following are mixed numbers? Which of the following are mixed numbers? Students, what are mixed numbers? What are mixed numbers? Mixed number, the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction are called mixed numbers. Okay students, a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction are called mixed numbers. Okay students, this is a mixed number. Okay, now see question number first, 1 whole 5 on 4. This is a mixed number because 1 is a whole number and 5 on 4 is an improper fraction. So this is not a mixed number. Students, because why this is not a mixed number? Why this is not a mixed number? Students, why this is not a mixed number? Because mixed number, what are mixed numbers? The mixed number are a combination of a whole number. Okay, one is a whole number. One is a whole number. The combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 5 on 4. Is it a proper fraction? No, it's not a proper fraction. It's an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So students, it's an improper fraction, and this is a combination of whole number and an improper fraction. So this is not a mixed number. Okay students. Second one is 3 whole 2 upon 3. 3 is a whole number. Okay students, 3 is a whole number and 2 upon 3 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. So it's a mixed number. It's a mixed number because it's a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay. Question number 3, it's not a mixed number. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5, 3 whole 3 upon 5. It's a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, so it's a mixed number. Okay friends, next one is part G. Convert each of the following mixed numbers into improper fractions. Students, convert each of the following mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay. Question number 1 is 1 2 whole 1 upon 5, and we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, students, 2 is a whole number and 1 upon 5 is a proper fraction. Okay. Now first multiply 2 by 5. 5 multiplied by 2, 10, and we add 1 is equal to 11. Then we got the answer 11 upon 5. Okay students, then we got the answer 11 upon 5. How? First we multiply 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10, and we add 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11, and we got the answer 11 upon 5. 11 upon 5. Okay friends. Next one is 1 whole 3 upon 4. So first we multiply 1 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon denominator. 4 1 4 plus 3 7 upon 4. It's a improper fraction. Okay friends. Question number 3 to 6. Do these questions yourself. Okay. Next part, H. Express each of the following improper fraction into mixed numbers. Express each of the following improper fractions into mixed numbers. And the question number 1 is 11 upon 4. 11 upon 4. First we divide. First we divide 11 by 4. Okay. 4 3 are 12. 4 2s are 8. And the remainder is 3. And the question is 2. Okay, students. So we form it in mixed numbers. 4 2s are 8. 2. It means the whole number is 2. And the proper fraction 3 upon 4. We form these improper fraction in mixed numbers. 4 2s are 8 and remainder 3. Okay, friends. 2 is a whole number and 3 upon 4 is a proper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction because it's a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, friends. So question number 2 to 6. Do these questions yourself. So students, your exercise 4B is finished, and in our next time we will start our exercise 4C. Now write down your homework. Students, today's homework is do exercise 4B. Okay, do exercise 4B. Thank you.